This is the Portronics Toad ONE. And the reason it's interesting is because Blinkit will allow you to get this mouse in 10 minutes. And that's what I did. And even though I bought this over a year ago, I timed them and it came in 9 minutes, which is pretty impressive. So, this is a wireless gaming mouse. It supports two Bluetooth modes and one wireless 2.4G dongle mode. It has a built in battery and it's really cool. So it's a gaming mouse. We'll test that a bit later. But yeah, so inside the box you get the mouse and the cable. It charges through Type C, which is pretty cool. So this is how the mouse looks, and when you turn it on, it turns on, and then you also have an RGB mode. So I think it needs a bit of charging, but yeah, it looks pretty cool. It's a good mouse, and it has 3 connection modes. This is the RGB on the mouse, and I think it looks quite nice. Now this mouse has 5 buttons, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This changes the DPI. It has 3 settings. This is the back and this is the forward, and the clicks actually make noise. Maybe if it was advertised wrong as a silent mouse, but it isn't. So yeah, there's a scroll wheel, and yeah, it works pretty well. I have been using this mouse for quite some time, and there are some things I don't like about it. On Windows, sometimes it just forgets, like if the computer has gone to sleep and the mouse is still on, and then I kind of click it and then this button starts blinking to try and find a device, right? When I turn the computer back on, I need to repair the mouse onto Windows, and that results in a lot of Portronics Toad ones showing up in the Bluetooth devices. In fact, you can see it right here, as there's 2 Toad ones, and actually this one is just the old thing and this is the new one. And at one point it actually stacked up, like there were these many devices, and I had shortened them down. I also think that they sell a white version of this mouse and it looks really good. If you can find this for around 550 rupees, I think it's worth it. It's a good mouse. It supports Bluetooth, so if you have an iPad or Android phone, it will work with that as well. And it's quite light, and the battery lasts a couple of days, like 4 or 5 days, on a single charge. And you can use it while charging, so that's not much of a problem either. And since it uses Type C, you have one charger for your mouse, your phone. If you have a Mac or like a lightweight laptop, then you can use that to charge your laptop as well. So yeah, just one cable for everything. That's quite cool.